have... Oh, what is this? There used to be something here. Anyways, we're back and we are going to be doing some advanced electrical and base defenses, fixing up from this raid that had occurred here. And we're basically putting back together the... Oh, experiencing some lag. The garage, the electrical here, and the base structure, and setting up some cameras around the property. Yeah, right over here, this is completely unstable. This needs to be picked up, fixed. Put these bars, these wall frames back on, as well as the lattice structure up here. But with that, we're going to need some wood, and we're going to need some metal frags burning. So we are going to go get a full inventory of metal frags now, and wood, and might as well just do some good old farming. Grab our sulfur. Wow, this is really bad. Going back. There we go. Good thing we hit a tree. Okay, first metal node. Stone. I think we just need a little bit of stone. We really don't need any, but less than one than going back to the other base. We just need a little bit. And we will get put one more stone node probably. I wonder what's going on in this base right over here. What they were doing here. Very interesting. I would almost like to come across our raider, take him down again, have a conversation with him, let him know that he did a good job, but we did better, I guess, stopping him. Pull up to the heli and then come out on here. Every time you get out of the heli, you come out on the right, so you want to just land with it on your right, or whatever you're getting out to see. A little bit of food wouldn't hurt us. A little bit of wheat, corn, pumpkinage. Might as well get the chainsaw started here. Okay, and let's go get some metal, sulfur, stones. We only have one stack of stones, let's get one more. Some sulfur. Nice to have worms for fishing, but and then chicken coops, which maybe we'll have another farm at Delta. When Delta becomes secure enough. Really won't use metal worms. Look, some puppies. Maybe those puppies will want to go 3,000. There we go. We've got 2 of those. We don't need any more. If those puppies want to have a conversation. This puppy's gonna leave me alone. I hear you. Leave me alone. Okay, jump scare. Another one. Two. Get some coffee first. Okay. Backpack. We would probably want to do a comp runs. Or raid. Man. Feel good to get revenge on that guy, but I have no clue where he lives. Always checking the gas. A heli here.